Okay, let's talk about one of photography's biggest frustrations, blurry photos.
We've all been there, right? A great moment, totally ruined by a soft, blurry image.
But the good news is, the fixes are usually super simple. Anyone can do them.
So hack number 1 is something most people completely miss, and it's right on your camera.
It's called the diopter. This tiny dial basically personalizes the viewfinder for your eyes.
Just follow these simple steps. This makes sure what you see is actually in focus.
All right, let's move on to hack number 2. It's all about turning your body into a stabilizer.
Yeah, you heard that right. This one idea will totally cut down on blur from shaky hands. Just tuck your elbows in, lean on a wall, and hold your breath before you click.
And now for hack number 3. It's a simple math rule that takes out all the guesswork.
It's pretty straightforward. A fast shutter freezes motion, giving you a sharp image.
And here's the rule. Your shutter speed needs to be at least double your focal length.
So if you're shooting with a 50mm lens, you need a shutter speed of at least 1/100th.
See, the big takeaway here is you have way more control than you think.
So before you take your next shot, just run through this quick mental checklist.
Go out and shoot with confidence. You know how to get that perfectly sharp focus.